JHS final year students will on Monday 14 September 2020 kickstart their final exam to guarantee them entrance into senior high school. The COVID-19 pandemic forced government to shut down schools and students have been home since the month of March. Due to financial constraints, some parents were unable to engage their works with private teachers until final year students were given clearance to resume by the President on 23rd August 2020 to enable them revise for the exam. With only 6 hours of class contact in a day, COVID-19 to battle, and a curriculum to finish, some schools in and around La Paz, Agege Last Stop, and other economically booming areas where noise cannot be escaped have another enemy to contend with. They wrestle with noise on daily basis. My question is, how are they coping with revision with just 6 hours of classwork amidst the heavy noise produced by motorists and traders? Will we see a repetition of what happened during the just ended WASI, when some of the final year students rained insults on the president out of frustration? I will bring you a report on the exam next week. Nakokolawe, reporting for Ribi News, Accra.